What are call to actions and why are they important to the growth of your influence? All that and my sparkling personality coming up next. Okay, so today we're talking about call to actions and why they're important to the growth of your influence, no matter what platform you are working off of. But first, of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so that you can be the first to see what's coming out next. Drop me a comment below. What are some of your favorite things that you see influencers asking you to do? Do they ask you to give them a thumbs up when they're on Facebook? Or maybe they ask for a comment or a certain emoji? Or maybe they ask you to subscribe. Where have I heard that before? Anyway. So, tip number 1, what are call to actions? Well, call to actions are anything that you can ask your viewer to do to let you know that they're watching or paying attention, right? So at the beginning of this video, I let you know exactly what you could expect from this video, and then I kindly asked you to drop me a comment and subscribe. You'll see it over and over and over again, and you think, why does everyone do this? I don't want to be that kind of influencer that asks everyone to do this. But honestly, people forget. I'm just going to tell you right now, your audience is going to forget that that's something that you need or even want. They may enjoy your content immensely and never tell you. I know that's crazy, but it's true. So remind them, tell them to drop a comment to let you know if this content is helpful, if it was entertaining, or if there's a question of the day that you can ask them, whatever it may be, so that you know that you're on the right track with your content. But also, of course, comments help your SEO. Whether they're good or bad, they help. So be sure that you are asking for comments. Secondly, be sure that you're asking for subscribers. And again, people may really enjoy your content and see it whenever they're searching for that type of content, but they may not subscribe. And yes, I know, again, this sounds crazy, but it's so true. And unless you remind people to subscribe to your channel, they may not do it. So it's not being pushy, it's helping people out to remind them that you're there and you love them and they love you. So another thing that you can do is, if you're on Instagram, be sure to have open-ended questions that you can ask people so that they can comment and you can keep a conversation going. The more you communicate and the more you engage your audience, the better off you're going to be with being found. No matter what platform we're talking about, if your audience is engaging with you and you are engaging back and you are building a relationship with your audience, the better off that platform's algorithm is gonna help you out. I promise. So if you are not growing and you feel like your content is just landing on deaf ears and you are not getting anywhere, and that was maybe one of the reasons why you stopped creating content, try this. Try creating a little more content and ask your viewers to engage with you. And if you have to be really specific by just saying, hey, drop me your favorite emoji below, then do that. Whatever it may be, just be sure to engage with them and ask them to engage with you. If that doesn't work, let me know in the comments below and we'll diagnose some more problems. But I promise you that if you start seeing this engagement, you're going to have that confidence in your content, and you're going to have a little more direction, and you're going to feel good about creating this content. So the next time you feel the strain somewhere else in creating content, you're not going to drop off, because you know there's people waiting on you and there's people who are enjoying, bless you, your content. So definitely keep going. But this time, switch it up. Ask for comments, ask for likes, ask for shares, ask for subscribing. You know, whatever you can do to make sure that you are being heard and that people are enjoying that content, that's gonna give you that boost that you need to keep going. I believe in you. I can't wait to see what you create, and yeah, get out there and create something. Let me know what it is so I can watch it and subscribe to it. Hey, guess what? I'm gonna end this video with a, hey, you should subscribe to my channel and like it and share it and let's be besties. Okay, till next time.